Mountains aren't just massive rocks, they're stabilizers for the planet. Science tells us mountains form when giant plates in the Earth's crust collide over millions of years, pushing land upward. But here's what's fascinating. Mountains have huge underground roots, like pegs holding the ground in place. 1,400 years ago, the Quran described this perfectly.
أَلَمْ نَجْعَلِ الْأَرْضَ مِهَادًا وَالْجِبَالَ أَوْتَادًا.
Have we not made the earth a resting place, and the mountains as stakes? Scientists now confirm mountains act as anchors, preventing earthquakes by stabilizing tectonic plates. Subhanallah, the Quran and modern science agree. Like and follow for more insights where faith and science meet.